whatever to turn this rock into a countertop. Only Classic Rock can do that.
Rock is a well-renowned countertop company located right here in central Pennsylvania.
How to control yourself and like the basic knowledge of like how to read a tape measure for pulling measurements on the slabs. But other than that, it's really not that hard to get into. They train pretty good.
We're going to photograph the material out on the floor, and that's what he's actually going to be pulling up here. He's using the lasers at the MANTEC took, and he's essentially combining those together to lay out the project. This is essentially what the MANTEC did out into the field. You know, he's taking his photos, he's checking level, and then he essentially shot the kitchen. So this is essentially what we're making.
Depending on what the material is, we're always, our saws will cut a certain direction just to help preventing fracturing or splintering, as I call it. But it's just all about direction when the saw is setting it up, when we do a program and stuff like that. So the saw operator has to know, material, size, and like the layout. So,
and what is usable, the programmers, they go ahead and mark that as a remnant. And then when the saw guys are done, we tag as remnants and scanned into a bin back in our remnant area. And then we can pull from them. Let's say a customer comes in, they just want a vanity. It saves money for, to pull from a remnant than a slab, and it's also available. We don't have to order it. So, and sometimes we'll use those remnants in a large scale job. If that person is getting 3 different bathrooms done and a kitchen, we can say, oh, we have this remnant back here, and we can use that. So once the orders are confirmed, we send templators out, and when they go out there, they will basically ask the homeowner, confirm the material, any radiuses they want, if they want sharp corners, round corners. In terms of
what I really like to see those nice countertops. My favorite thing is the small bevel look, and those go into those real nice houses, and it just looks beautiful. I love that part of the job. Actually getting to make that with my hands, it's going into someone's house.